Now imagine if you can get paid automatically for clicking. Every time you click, you earn 20 cents to 40 cents up to $1, and they all accumulate really quickly, so you'll end up making anywhere from $300 to $1,000 on complete autopilot. Just imagine how much money you would have in a week's time. That would probably be enough to pay off your debt and give you more freedom to do whatever you want. Maybe even let you quit your 9-to-5 job because you would be earning enough to sustain yourself on complete autopilot. You might even be able to purchase a new house, or a new car, or a new phone, or even a new computer, or maybe even go on a vacation. You can do whatever you want. We are going to show you how you can sign up for a free and worldwide account. We are going to walk you through this whole process and give you real-life examples that are going to be simple and easy to follow. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Our first website is Entireweb.com, and as you can see, it basically is a search engine that works just like Google. This website is going to pay you 20 cents for every click. Get paid for every click. We'll pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. High conversion rate. You'll be promoting a free search engine submission service with a very high conversion rate. Everyone can join anywhere. Anyone with any type of site can join this program and start earning money within minutes. It's easy to start within minutes from sign up. You'll be up and running and have started to earn money from your traffic. So how does this work? A visitor clicks on your affiliate banner, a link on your site, or in an email. We'll pay you both for the first initial click, but also if the visitor goes through the process. The program is powered by Post Affiliate Pro, the leading affiliate tracking software. Post Affiliate Pro makes sure that all referrals and sales are tracked correctly. The process is fully automatic. All your clicks or visitors will be properly tracked. It even works if cookies are disabled in the browser or of the customer. The customer can visit us months after your referral and the click will still be tracked. How much will you earn? The Entireweb free search engine submission is a 100% free service, meaning you often see very high conversion rates, and will pay you up to 20 cents per click. How and when will you be paid? We pay our affiliates by PayPal. All earnings will be paid on the end of each month for the previous month, and all payments are in US dollars. We do not support other payment methods. The minimum payout value is $50, so you must enter your PayPal email address in your affiliate account settings in the payout options, otherwise they simply cannot pay you, and we do not want that. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Let's continue. To sign up for a free account, just click on Create Account, and that should lead you to here. So provide your first name, last name, tracking ID, but that's optional, and then username. Then some additional information, but the rest of this is optional. What's important is your country, so put your country down here. Then fill out payment method, which is very, very important, or else this website won't be able to pay you. Once it's all complete, agree to the terms and conditions and then hit sign up. And then what you're going to want to do once you finally have an account is promote your affiliate link. That will lead to this search engine, and every click you get of your link, you're going to get paid 20 cents. And let's say you get 500 clicks a day. That's just a rough estimate, alright? You can earn up to $100. Literally just like that. That's literally all you need to do for this website. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Now our next website is called Herculist, and to get to their website, just type in Herculist.com. And this is what you should see next. Your vision. Advertise to thousands daily for free. Even when you sign up, you get $5. It's trusted. For almost 20 years, Herculist has been a trusted internet marketing source for thousands of marketers worldwide. You earn affiliate program paying up to 50% commissions. Get paid within 24 hours. It's mobile friendly. The more traffic, the more results. And there's a radically improved design. There's a totally new user experience, and you have more control. And there are all new marketing tools. And here are some testimonials, which just goes to show that this website is very much reliable and legit. And the main purpose that this website serves us is this is what's going to help us send our Entireweb affiliate link to thousands and thousands of people, and all the 20 cents ever made from Entireweb. And this website is going to get us there. Now let's just go ahead and sign up for a completely free account. Click on Get Started right here, and remember, this has a $5 sign-up bonus. So aside from the 20 cents per click that you're getting with your affiliate link, you have $5 on top of that as well, which you think is pretty good. As soon as you click on Get Started, you will be redirected to right here. Now provide your first name, last name, username, password twice, your email, confirm you're not a robot, agree to the terms of service, and once it's all set, just hit on Create Account. As you can see, there are payment plans, but there's one for free, and like we mentioned, this method is completely free. So let's choose the free because you basically get everything in the free plan still. There's a lot of benefits still, which is what matters most. So hit on Continue Free. Once you click on that, you'll be brought straight to this page right here. Before proceeding, make sure to check your email because you'll need to verify your email address for anything to work. So make sure that you check your email and look for an email like this. Just click on Confirm Email, and that should lead you straight back into your Herculist account. Now, this is what you'll see when you're back home, and we want you to click on this. And then it'll take you to this page. And then we want you to scroll down a bit and focus on regular mailer. And then you'll see that this sends out emails to thousands of people with your affiliate link for completely free. Just enter the subject line and you can type in maybe new search engine that replaces Google. And then open close parentheses Entireweb, that's the name of the site. Then your affiliate link from Entireweb, and then an ad body, and you can simply say like, click the link above to try out this brand new search engine that works much better than Google itself. So try it out yourself to find out, and then hit on submit ad, and that is basically it. You wait for that email to automatically be sent out to thousands of people, and wait for your money to grow and accumulate, and just earn $100 passively every single day. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.